Hi, this is Bridget from Creative Minds. Today I'm going to show you the Marketplace Inventory Updater add-on for CMind's Marketplace extension. This add-on for the Marketplace gives the vendors options to define the CSV file hosted remotely that can be used for a daily update of their inventory in the Marketplace installation. So let's take a look. After installing the add-on, you'll have an additional configuration product settings tab called Inventory Import. Here, you can enable the inventory import and enable logging to create logs for the daily job. The admin can be notified on changes for the vendors. You will also need to make sure the CSV import is enabled. Once this is done, under the Import tab, you'll see another tab called the Inventory Updater. In this section, you can see all the configurations for the CSV file for the daily inventory updates. From the tab, you'll enter the CSV link for where it's hosted. So here, for example, I'll put the domain where it's hosted. And then you need to set the delimiter, meaning the columns in the CSV file, to decide whether you'll use a comma, a semicolon, or something else. Then you need to define which CSV column defines the product and match it to the product attribute. For example, I'll look at this file that's used for updates. Here I have the product item ID, which is the column I'm using for the product identification. And this one is matching my SKU on the site, but you can define it however you need to. Then you need to define the quantity column. So here I'll look for my quantity column, which is defined here, and then I'll put the name of the column header here. So what happens when one of my products under the product list tab is not in the file? That means it's looking for a specific SKU and trying to match it but can't find it. It's not in the feed. So what should I do? I can choose to select do nothing or set out of stock. Or I can enter a matching cost column, meaning the initial price of the item. This will update the cost attribute of the product. So I'll look for the actual retail price for my file and enter it here. After I enter this information and click Save, this feed will run as a daily job and update the inventory based on this remote file using this configuration. This add-on gives the store admin and the vendor an automatic way to keep the store inventory updated to prevent ordering out-of-stock items. Thank you for watching.